love reader, aka the Mystic Siren. If you're manifesting love and abundance, I got something very special for you. I have your all authentic and high quality crystals blessed and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Black tourmaline for grounding and protection. Brazilian citrine for attraction of money and abundance. Madagascar rose quartz for attraction of love and harmonious relationship. And of course, our lucky red string bracelet with jade charm to attract love and money. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon ng high quality, blessed and ritualized na crystals na to. Kamusta mga Scorpio? Kamusta ang kabuhayan? Kamusta ang love life? I remember yung last reading natin, it's more about like accumulating or making yourself financially stable. Kasi kumbaga ayaw mong iasa kahit kanino yung financial stability, especially yung mga future plans about the family. So sabi mo, wala namang ibang gagawa nun kung hindi ikaw. Alright, let's see. Last three shuffles. Scorpio. Scorpio reading for the month of May. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Let's see kung ano meron sa mga Scorpio making a decision. Eto na naman tayo. The Queen of Swords, the feminine energy here in this partnership feels like may mga nasabi na mga bagay na like standards, mga gusto niyang mangyari sa relationship. Okay? But I feel, after that, nagkaroon ng pag-uusap ulit at new beginning, avoiding conflict. Sabi mo with your partner is like, kaya naman tong ayusin. So, kalmahan lang. Nagkaroon ng overthinking and doubts. Okay? Maraming doubts yung feminine energy sa partnership na to, no? Doon sa masculine. Parang, I feel, yung babae, doon sa the feminine energy here is parang mas dominante, mas goal, mas nag-chase ng goals. Okay? So, medyo na-overpower niya yung masculine energy in this partnership. Nagkaroon ng mga disappointments. So, right now, trying to rebuild, na pag-uusapan, paano ba talaga ayusin itong, mga plano, stable plans in the future. Nagkaroon ng disagreements, but yeah. Lagi namang napag-uusapan. Scorpio. The reason for the reading is nag-decide kayo to stay together. Doon may mga challenges talaga sa mga bagay na you're trying to manifest. At ang daming bills, ang daming responsibilities to backbreaking already. Pero kung ano man yung mga commitment or responsibilities, nandyan ka naman para panindigan lahat. Okay? No matter how heavy yung mga responsibilities. Ride and die. Okay? Ride or die ang mga Scorpio. Okay. But recent past, I feel nagkakaroon ng disappointment on your end. Hindi mo ba nararamdaman na na-appreciate ka? Okay. I feel nagkakaroon may energy dito ng love energy, and marami ng misunderstanding sa partnership na to. Kung may anak, ang focus na lang is yung happiness ng mga anak. Ipaglalabang maging okay yung connection, na maging civil, maging kalma. Sabi ng feminine energy, may pagka-immature daw yung masculine energy sa connection na to. Doon nawawala na ng gana yung feminine energy. But sabi niya, sige, para sa bata, para sa family, maging civil man lang, magkaroon man lang ng kahit, surface level na happiness, okay? Basta hindi lang maramdaman ng mga bata yung mga disagreements yung dalawa, okay? So, Scorpio, I feel nagmamanifest ka na maging mas maayos kayo ng partner mo. Kung mas focus mo right now business, nagmamanifest ka ng mga bagong business opportunities, business ventures. Meron kang gustong kausapin. Gusto mong kausapin yung person mo, business or love. Kasi parang you don't feel na nag-move forward yung relationship. Pero hindi naman to tapos. The Tower card is in reverse. If you're planning to travel to see your person, I feel magkakaroon ng delays. At napaka-cold na nung energy nyo. Maraming kailangang i-heal sa partnership na to. But I feel parang interesado ka pa rin na maging okay kayo. Kung hindi man maging romantic partner, at least maging civil. Wala na yung mga, wala na yung mga painful situation. Yung nararamdaman mo yung disinterest ng partner mo sa'yo. Hindi na ganun yung pagpapahalaga na binibigay niya sa'yo. Pero ikaw, sabi mo is, nandun ka pa rin, very sentimental, no? Sayang yung mga pinagsamahan, naaalala mo pa rin. Sabi ng person mo, nare-recognize naman niya na, kumbaga, may purpose yung pagkakakilala nyo, soulmate connection. Your person still is willing to build with you. Sabi niya, sige laban. Pareho naman kayo. You're both willing to make this connection work out. Right now, you're trying to be patient. You might be dealing with Libra, Gemini. Kaya lang natatakot ka, no? Kahit sabi mo is ang dami mong pangarap, ang dami mong plano, but parang wala nang masyadong tiwala yung person mo sa'yo. I feel nagkaroon ng mga plans before, tas nagkaroon ng delays or hindi natuloy or nagkaroon ng blockages. So, para sa'yo is gusto mo na lang to keep the plan sa'yo muna at pag may result na, tsaka mo na ibabalita sa person mo. In the next 3 months, ang dami pa rin challenges sa family, stability, kung ano yung mga like making ends meet, pati kayo yung mga disagreements nyo nandyan pa rin. Atras abante, hindi alam kung paano ayusin, but you wanna start over, probably with a new person na, or kung gusto mo pa rin i-keep yung person mo, like mag-start over kayo na wala nang sumbatan kung ano yung mga nangyari in the past. Tama na, iwanan na in the past. Aha, okay. So, may mga kailangan pag-usapan sa relationship na to. I feel eventually magiging maayos naman. But, maging honest sa isa't isa. May nakikita pa rin ako dito. Baka mag-cause ng trouble to, ha? Someone is not being honest dito sa, I feel may kasal na involved. This person, Scorpio, are you getting involved with a new passionate connection? And, nagsisinungaling ka ba? Nagsisinungaling ka ba sa person mo? Parang may overlap ng connection here. So, kung may mga dapat tapusin muna na relationship, for some of you, no, may mga kailangan pang tapusin na relationship bago kayo pumasok sa isang bagong passionate connection. Parang nagsisinungaling on both sides. Kasi parang patapos na tong isang connection at may pumapasok na isang bagong passionate connection. And because of that, nagkakaroon ng dishonesty dun sa dalawa. Okay? And that is the Scorpio reading for the month of May. See you again in a few days for your June reading. Bye-bye, Scorpio!
Good news sa lahat ng nag-aabang sa ating bagong line of crystals. Ang isa sa ating pinagkakatiwalaan na healer at magaling mag-love spell na si Everlasting Alpha at kilala natin bilang Ate Joy ay naglabas na rin ng kanyang crystals. Huwag na nating patagalin. Umpisa na! Para sa lahat ng may problema sa reproductive health, para sa'yo ang Healing and Fertility Bracelet na to. Kung ikaw ay may hinihiling na blessing na pinansyal, para sa'yo ang Abundance and Protection Bracelet na to. Elephants are known to be wise and strong. Ang Lucky Elephant Bracelet na to ay magdadala sa iyo ng good luck, vitality, and protection. Isa pang pampaswerte, ang Lucky Money Bracelet na to ay mag-a-attract ng abundance at prosperity sa kung sino mang may suot nito. Ang lahat ng bracelet na to ay na-cleanse at naorasyonan ng ating Everlasting Alpha. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon nito.